Hi everyone, welcome back to Thrifty Thursday. However, it's not a Thrifty Thursday, it's a Temu haul, but same day. So I got a few things that cover both junk journaling and crafting. I got a little bunch of these, which are really good for doing the edges of paper. So you just rub it on your ink pad and you just can swirl it around. I've already got some that are much bigger, but I like these ones because they're little and weren't that expensive. All right, so I've got sort of a couple of things that relate to each other. Get these two out of the way. I've got some Academy watercolor paper, 300 GSM, so quite big. The thing about it is I have already tried to work with it a little bit, and there is glue all around every single side except for this little top bit where it says open. I'm not going to recommend this because look at my edge already trying to get one sheet off to use. It's dastardly. It's not the easiest. Maybe someone will tell me there's a special way to do it. But the glue is quite strong, so it's not coming off in a hurry. Very thick though. Once you get it off, it's a bit bigger than postcard size, so if you're going to be making postcards, it feels really nice. It's quite rough. I wanted to have some rough. If that's just normal for these pads, then okay, but I haven't had a pad that's been that difficult to work. However, I'll have a play. I'll have a play with that and see what I come up with. Got these 3 balls of knitting yarn. They're beautifully soft. They'll brush out nicely if you want to felt or do anything like that. I saw this, which looks like mountains, and I just loved it. I don't have a paintbrush right near me, but it's a paintbrush holder to rest your paintbrush on. Now I've wanted one of those for a while, something, you know, you put your paintbrush down and it goes on everything. Well, I just thought this was beautiful, and it's a really beautiful solid bit of wood. Now I got pipe cleaners, and I love how fluffy they are. Like, these are thinner. Oh, it's probably 3 different weights. What does it say? Absorbent cotton filler 50 pipe cleaners and extra. So I've got 2 extra absorbents and just a normal, but I think that they just I think they'll be great for my Fleur Woods piece, so that's why I got them. While we were doing the Roxy Girls workshop, I was using a circle template like this to cut out some little circles out of material and make little Suffolk puffs. And I saw this and I thought, you know, this size is probably a bit better for me personally. Trying to do them in little tiny ones like this is not not necessarily my thing, but certainly these 3 sizes might be quite good for just using the heat sensitive pen on a bit of material and getting that circle shape. So, you know, Temu has little things like that that are quite interesting. I had mentioned in a previous video that my beloved scissors that I use for everything, they're in my housewif at the moment. I can't find a copy, so I just thought I'd get some different types of material embroidery scissors to test out. I have got another pair of these which are fabulous just for cutting your threads. This might actually go in the housewif, but my other pair, Nora's borrowed it for her cross stitching, so I might not get it back. So I've just got another pair of those and another pair of these to match those. These will look nice up on the wall. And these were the ones that are the closest looking to the ones I've got. However, I did mention that they haven't got that other part there. They're a bit pointy. But I'll give these a try and see if these are just as good for material and paper. You never know. We'll see. This is like a little weaving set. Just a tiny little weaving loom, which will be interesting to learn. I'll do another video on it actually. I'll do a weaving with it. You can see the hooks. They're facing that way now. When you put them back, they're facing that way. I'm not going to do it now. I'll have a bit of a go of it. So it looks like that happens like that. And probably out of these two. Well, that's a latch hook. So there's a latch hook. If I haven't shown you already on my Fleur Woods Craft Along. And this is going to be the needle that will thread in and out all of the strings. I'm assuming that the elastic band somehow holds it all together. See, it's got it actually sewing onto material, which is what I thought might be interesting to have a play with. So that's going to be in another video. I've got my lovely scissors to try out and play with. I'm certainly going to have fun with these and my wools. I hope you enjoyed my little stash that I got, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.